Hello, my lovely YouTubers. Welcome to the channel of the Loquacious One. I am the Loquacious One, one-hitter quitter of affordable hauls, coming at you today with the haul of some cleaning products I purchased from Dollar Tree and from Ross. So I tend to not coupon as much today because of social distancing and because I pretty much stockpiled a lot of things. So I'm kind of like replenishing and getting new items as needed. So I haven't been um, purchasing cleaning products that often because I'm trying to whittle down what I already have and minimize to things I really just don't need as much. But anyway, starting with Dollar Tree, I found these cleaning products from Brillo in this Brillo's Basic line. Okay, now I found the Brillo Basics Drain Cleaner. It's 32 ounces. It says 3 times the action, removes grease, soap scum, buildup, and hair. So I never tried this before, but I do use Dollar Tree's drain cleaner, which generally unclogs my drains pretty well, but it's one in particular. I don't have it with me, but I will show it to you in another cleaning haul because I think it works as well as the bigger name brands. I also found this Brillo Basics Spray Starch, no CFCs. It's 3 times the action, makes ironing easier, and provides a wrinkle-resistant, sharp, clean finish. It's 12 ounces. So I got 2 cans of this, which I really like the color of the cans. I also found this Brillo Basics Furniture Polish. Lemon Fresh is 9 ounces. As well as I found the Brillo Basics Cleaning Wipes. Multi-surface citrus cleaners is 40 wipes in a container. And this Brillo Basic bathroom wipes with 40 wipes. And it's a multi-surface bathroom cleaner. And I simply just throw these in to just do a really wipe down really quick. I do a thorough clean, but in between that, I maintain it with these little cleaning wipes. All right. And also, I found the Love My Carpet Urine and Stain Remover. If ice odor is parting my pets, is 12 ounces. I do not have a pet, but I do love fresh smelling carpets. So if you do have any carpet or things of that nature, rugs, and you want them to smell fresh, periodically I will spray it down with this and vacuum. As well as I found this Love My Pets Carpet and Room Deodorizer. It says stronger fragrance, 20% bigger, is Lavender Dreams, and it's 17 ounces. So that you sprinkle in the carpets, let it sit, and then you vacuum it up. All right. Okay, folks. And I also found this Pine Glow Lavender Antibacterial Kitchen and Bathroom Cleaner and Disinfectant. It is 48 ounces. And doing my COVID-19 hauls, I haul this in various scents. So they do have lavender now. So I just generally grab one of them when I see them. And I generally just spray this on and I use it full strength. Okay, it's more economical to use. So this is one of my favorite all-purpose cleaners to use in my fight to keep my home clean. Okay, and also they have the Comet Classic Antibacterial Spray Cleaner. And this kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. So if you see this, you can grab it. It is good to use. Okay. Again, you want to keep your home clean. Even though we are still battling the COVID-19, we must not let up. Okay, on that fight. It is important that we stay diligent. Okay. And also, I grabbed another one of these. It's Spick and Span Everyday Antibacterial Cleaner with the fresh citrus scent. This is the refill one. It is 28 fluid ounces. So this is by far my favorite, and I use this the most. It also comes in a lemon or yellow scent also. But I get the refill because I don't need the trigger sprayer, and it's more economical that way. Alrighty. Alright. And another one I got to keep the home clean is this Lime Away Thick Gel Formula Toilet Bowl Cleaner. It destroys lime, calcium, and rust. It's 16 ounces. It removes the toughest stains in seconds. This is one of my favorite, okay, cleaners because where I live there's hard water, so I need this for that. And if you have it on your towel, you can just squirt some of this on your towel and grout and scrub it with a brush. If you don't find the Lime Away, they also have one called the Works. It is pretty good and economical to use. Okay, I also found this Final Touch fabric softener. It's 40 ounces in Spring Fresh. I don't make a big to do about fabric softener, just as long as it does what it's supposed to do and smells nice. This $4 is a great deal. I also found the Final Touch Oxy Stain Remover, 32 ounces. So it gives me a little extra leverage. I don't have a whole lot of heavily stained items, but a squirt of this around the collar and on a food stain generally takes care of the job. Okay, and this is another one of my favorite cleaners. Is Barkeeper Friends. It says since 1882, and you can use it in your bathroom, your kitchen, your on your cookware, outdoors, or what have you. I use it on my stove top. It works great on stainless steel sinks also. So this is $1. They have larger cans available if you go into general stores that have cleaning supplies. But for $1, this is small enough to keep in my cleaning bin, and it works awesome. So I think it's a great deal for $1. Okay, folks, finally for some smell goods, I found this Renews It Scent Swirls Peach, Freezer, and Garden Mint. It is a solid gel. It's 7 ounces. That smells particularly nice. So if you like solid gel air fresheners, pick up this one. Also by Glade, they have a limited edition air fresheners in citrus and shine. And these are 8 ounces in sky and sea salt, which I love the sky and sea salt. But my absolute favorite is this bubbly berry splash. I got 2 of these. And then they have the tranquil lavender and aloe. Okay, folks, I'm always looking to add to my de-stressing haul. So when I see things that are soothing, like lavender, chamomile, rose, things of that nature, I grab them for my spa nights. So I found these candles. They're called Serenity Spa, and they look like this. And trying to see, I think they are, yeah, they are Greenbrier brand, and then they're in this little purple container. I also found by Luminescent, their scented candles, 3 ounces in lavender feel. So I like these little jars. You can reuse these. And as a matter of fact, these would be nice after you clean them thoroughly to use as spice jars. Also by Luminescent, I found this lavender feel fragrance oil, which I put in my oil burner. Okay, folks, next I found these hanging up in the candle section, and they look similar to something that I seen at Walmart, but I realized these are a Greenbrier brand by Hosley Aromatherapy Incense gift sets. It's 10 incense sticks with a holder. So each one of them come with a different color incense holder that's made out of wood, as well as the 10 incense sticks. So the 10 that the 6 that I got were balance, which is dragon blood, energy, wind, um, induces confidence is patchouli, meditation is nag champa, relaxation is lavender, and vitality is eucalyptus and thyme. And again, the balance is dragon blood, and the energy is wind. I don't know what wind is, but you can see the incense sticks here and the wood holders, which are pretty. And for $1, I think this is a great, awesome deal. And I also found this little candle, and I see these. I picked them up. This one says Joy. This is a soy blend candle. Is 3 ounces, and I just grabbed them because that's my daughter's name, and it brings me joy. So I just grab these if I see them. I think they've been out, but I just seen it and grabbed it. Okay, folks, another thing I like to purchase at Dollar Tree are their tissues. They have name brand tissues, so I found this puff. It says simple softness, but look at the generous size, and it's a name brand. It's soft, and it has 96 two-ply tissues. Okay, so I grabbed 2 of those. Another little trick I use is this Penolin. If you find it, multi-purpose cleaner. I got 33 ounces free. I did use this. You can also use it in your energy efficient, your high efficiency, washing machines. I also, after I clean my toilet bowl, I pour this in there and let it set. And it leaves, to me, in my mind, a nice kind of florally scent. So just a hint, if you have this or you haven't tried it, you might want to try it. I like the scent in particular. And although this is not the most economical way, but you can try to see if you like it, I put these Downy Unstoppable in wash scent booster beads. It says 12 weeks of freshness. And I put this in my little burner, my wax melter, and it leaves a beautiful fragrance also in the home. So that is something you might want to try. Okay, folks, now we're over at Ross. We have left Dollar Tree and we're in Ross. And if you're lucky, you can find some name brand, really good cleaning products at Ross. Sometimes it's hit or miss. But something that I found there for stainless steel. So if you have stainless steel refrigerators, dishwashers, and stoves, things of that nature, Wyman is a good brand. I found this Wyman stainless steel cleaner and polish for a streak-free shine, removes and resists fingerprints. It's 12 ounces. It has the quality tested good housekeeping seal. Okay, and this I got for $3.99. Okay, and I also got, and it was a bonus pack with 20% more, it says. So it has 37 by 8 wipes. The Wyman stainless steel wipes. So it's 30 wipes in here. And this is when you have to do a really quick cleanup, because you will get fingerprints on stainless steel. Now, if you have cooktops, that is the glass or ceramic type cooktops, this is economical and a good choice. It's Barkeeper Friend since 1882. Multi-purpose cooktop cleaner is 13 ounces. And I got this for $2.49. So that was a great deal. I also found this Barkeeper Friend Soft Cleanser. It removes rust, lime stains, and tarnish for cookware, kitchen, and bathrooms. 26 ounces. Okay. So it says it works on porcelain, stainless steel, ceramic, tile, and copper. And this was $2.49. When I think about it, why did I buy this? I wasn't thinking. Okay. And couple that with the barkeeper's friend that I just shown you from Dollar Tree that takes care of most of my cleaning needs. So folks, that is it. That's all for my cleaning haul. I hope you found something that you can use that can help you in that infamous journey to keep our house clean and looking nice. And yeah, this is an economical way to do it. I don't have to go all over looking for cleaning products. So if you're stainless steel or you got ceramic cooktops that take care of that. Next, I will get my granite cleaner, and that will be it for my specialty cleaning products. So this is what I use. It's economical. It works for me. So again, I hope you enjoy some of the advice I gave you. I hope you're staying safe and cleaning. As always, we keep bleach and everything. I have tons of bleach, so I don't care. I bleach everything down. I'm from the old school. All right, folks, stay safe. Do not forget, if you're not a part of my YouTube family, if not, why not? Click that subscribe button. I would love to have you. Appreciate it. Please help me grow my channel, as well as share if you're on social media with someone who might be interested. Thumbs up to keep this video in rotation. And as always, if you have any questions, cares, comments, concerns, or advice or constructive criticism, I welcome it also. Put it in the box below. Till next time, love you all. Bye-bye.